Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use apostrophes to show missing letters. This is a level 2 skill. Let's begin by answering the question, what is an apostrophe? An apostrophe is a punctuation mark that has two main jobs. It can be used to show that letters are missing. This is also known as omission. It can also be used to show that something belongs to someone or something. This is known as possession. In this lesson, we are going to focus on how the apostrophe is used to show that letters are missing. Two words can be put together to make one word. When this happens, letters are missed out and replaced with an apostrophe. These words are known as contractions. Here are some examples. It is can be contracted to its. To do this, we join the words it and is together. We take out the second I and we replace it with an apostrophe. Do not can be contracted to don't. To do this, we join the words do and not together. We take out the second O and we replace it with an apostrophe. We are can be contracted to make we're. To do this, we join the words we and are together. We take out the letter A and we replace it with an apostrophe. Here are some more examples. What can we contract should not to? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's find out. Should not can be contracted to make shouldn't. What can I will be contracted to? Why not pause the video and have a think? I will can be contracted to I'll. Finally, what can has not be contracted to? Why not pause the video and have a think? Let's take a look. Has not can be contracted to hasn't. How did you do? There are lots more words that can be contracted. How many more can you think of? Here we have some contracted words. The first word is I'm. Can you work out what the long form of the word would be? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? I'm is short for I am. The next word is they'll. What is they'll short for? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? They'll is short for they will. The final word is can't. What is can't short for? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's take a look. Can't is short for cannot. Here is a summary of the learning in this lesson. The apostrophe is a punctuation mark. It can be used to show that letters are missing. These are also known as contractions.